Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out the Machenike M7 PRO Gaming mouse. This is a wireless gaming mouse. Check this thing out here. Okay, we have that nice little instruction booklet. I think this is wireless and it can also be wired. Ah, that looks pretty sweet. Look at that. Kind of like I think it's got some RGB lighting, nice diamond pattern here on the side, very smooth. The buttons are all right there. We have wireless or wired button or cord there, so we can either plug this in and use it regularly or just use this one here. I believe it has a little dongle that we can plug this into wirelessly. That's it for the box. Maybe not. We'll have to figure out. Maybe it just connects to the computer without a dongle. Let's get it set up, shall we? Okay, friends, actually the little dongle is right there in the bottom. So I had to use my knife to get that in there. Take out that little dongle right there, very small. Just gonna plug it right in here to my keyboard or my gaming mouse pad there. And there we have it. Let's see, switch that to, it's got a little mode there if you want it corded or wireless, and check out the lighting on that. That looks phenomenally cool actually, and it's supposed to be super responsive here. That's quite smooth actually. The scroll feature is nice. These buttons can be basically fully customizable to whichever way you want, and I believe we have multiple. That's super lightweight. It's a very lightweight mouse as well, and I like that you can plug it in, either plug it in and have it wired or just wirelessly, which is really handy. Very responsive and smooth. Like the grip on the side here. It's right here with the that diamond pattern on the sides. Makes it really easy to grip and move around. It's very smooth. We have a large skid pad here on the bottom and the top here, or both on the bottom. And the laser there seems super responsive. I can click here and switch it around. All right, right here on the bottom, we have the DPI switch. So I switch that and you can see the RGB light changes on the top, but also E4, 5, we have like 4 or 5 different modes there for speed, and a nice responsiveness on the cursor here, moving back and forth. I can do it so it just barely moves, and I got a double monitor here, and it just soars across the entire screen. Wow, that is, I'm just barely moving it, it's like cruising. So super sensitive, and that is like the hyper mode there. It's like for 1 inch here, or for, it's moving like almost 20 times as much as the cursor is. That's for a crazy amount. And then this one is literally the same amount that you move it, it is what it is. So each one's a little bit more. So that's nice whether you're gaming and you like just barely move your mouse, or like super responsive if you like to move quite a bit with the mouse there. This thing seems to track very well. It's nice and smooth. The buttons aren't super loud, but are nice and responsive. The wheel is cool as well. You can press it and move up and down. That works well. Very cool looking mouse here, my friends. Very responsive, seems to do a great job. I like the RGB lighting, looks kind of like a little race car there. Pretty sweet mouse. I'm gonna be letting my son test out some games with this and play with it, see what he thinks about it.